Hello, in front of me I've got AOC monitor. In this video I'll show you how to manage monitor menu. In the beginning, to enter monitor menu, press this button next to the power button. Now, use arrows left and right to navigate through it. Right here you can find game settings, extra, exit, luminescence settings, color setup, picture boost, OSD setup. To enter menu, you have to press menu button. To navigate through menu, again press arrows button. To select menu, select setting you would like to adjust, press menu button and then adjust it via arrows button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.